Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Thank you for having me. I miss everyone. I'm glad to see. I can't really see you guys, but I know you're there. So, hi everyone. Hi Joy. I don't know who this is. Okay, so I think I'll just, because of time, I think I'll just start presenting now. Okay. Fortune, please can you stop presenting so that I can present?
Sure, you can.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay. So can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay, thank you. So I was speaking on introduction to back-end development for beginners. So I'll assume I'm speaking to beginners who'd want to start their journey as a back-end developer. So starting my introduction. So the web development, as Anita has already explained, consists of both sides, and not just web development but app Android development consists of two sides: the client side and the server side. The client side is what the users can interact with, what they can see, like Anita just explained, and it runs on the browser. That's the front end part. And then it also consists of the server side, which is the logic system that powers the client side of the application, and it's called the backend. What is backend development? Backend development is the development of server. Just to be clear, backend development, it doesn't just happen in web development. It's also, like, as a backend developer, you build what is called APIs. API stands for application. Okay, I'm going to get there. The application, I'm going to get there anyway. So as a backend developer, you're building APIs for both. You can build APIs for both websites and Android applications. So what is backend development? It is development of server-side logic that powers apps from behind the scenes. Like Anita explained, front end is what you can see, is what a user can interact with. But what happens behind the scenes is back end. And for you to understand what backend development is all about, you need to know what front end does, and all of that. So backend consists of these parts: database, server, and the app. The database stores the data for the app. The server receives requests from the front end. The app runs on the server and listens for requests, gets information from this database, and also sends, let me hide this, and also sends response. Now, how is front end linked to come sorry okay how is front end linked to back end? Front end consists of, like Anita has already explained, there's no need for me to go through that all over again. So front end has to do with JavaScript, or that's for and JavaScript also works for both web development and for both web development and Android development. So you can use JavaScript for web development, and by using Node.js for backend, and you can also use JavaScript for backend development by using something called React Native for mobile development. So front end consists of what you can see, like I said, it's the client side, and it runs on the user's browser and creates the user interface. And the front end makes requests to the back end. So that's what links the front end with the back end. Like I said, you need